Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the store locator feature on the Metro companion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the shortcuts section and tap on the last feature in this or within this section, which is the store locator feature. And here you can find all of the available stores on the map marked with this M icon. So you can search within the map, and you can also type in the name of your city, and then you will be directed to the store on the map. You can see the address, the opening hours, you can get the directions, and here you can see contact information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.